Do not watch or listen to this material while driving or operating machinery, where it is not safe for you to relax and fall asleep.
This guided meditation will help you to relax your body and calm down your mind, so you can fall asleep easily and get a good night's rest. Before we begin, please turn off any devices that might interrupt you, and make sure that your room temperature is pleasant and your clothing is comfortable. Lying in bed, listen to your body and get yourself as comfortable as you can. Gently close your eyes if you haven't already, and just take a moment to acknowledge your present mental and bodily state. How does your mind feel right now? Is it agitated? Just become aware. Don't try to change anything right now. Simply pay attention to it. Does your body feel restless or maybe tired? Let everything be as it is right now. Simply pay attention to it, as if you were looking from a distance, unaffected, undisturbed. Let's take a few deep breaths now, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Breathe in, bringing clarity and serenity to your mind, and breathe out, releasing any worries or anxiety. Breathe in again, feeling your lungs expanding, and breathe out, letting go of any tensions in your body. In this way, use your exhalation to let go and relax. Breath after breath, your mind starts to calm down. Breath after breath, your body gets more and more relaxed. Allow your breath to flow naturally now. Don't try to control it or stretch it. Let it be as it wants to be, coming and going at its own natural rhythm. Let's take a few moments to simply notice the breath coming and going. Visualize yourself by the ocean, lying down on the beach next to the calming sound of the waves. Feel the sun, nice and warm at the perfect temperature, and the wind blowing gently and vitally around you. Your body starts feeling heavy, as if you were sinking a little bit in the sand. Totally relaxed, totally at peace. You can hear the sound of the waves in the distance. Hear them coming and going. And use your breath to synchronize with them in perfect harmony. Stay there for a few moments, enjoying this moment of peace and calm. Everything is perfectly at peace. You can rest knowing that everything is in its place. Allow yourself to drift into a deeper level of relaxation. your mind is still active, gently focus again on your breath. Visualize the waves coming and going along with your breath. At ease, without any worries. Completely relaxed. Drifting into sleep. Let yourself go.